Hey everyone, Sam Battersby with Griot's Garage, and I'm excited to introduce you to Restore and Seal, part of our adventure line. Now if you're like me and have owned an RV or a boat for a while, chances are you've made some unforgettable memories, and as a result, you've picked up a few signs of wear and tear along the way. That wear and tear may be part of the journey, but if left unchecked, it can lead to much bigger problems, like faded finishes, embedded contaminants, oxidation, or more severe damage. The good news, you can turn back the clock with Restore and Seal. This powerful multifunctional formula combines submicron abrasives with a cutting-edge polymer and SiO2 protection system. This duo gently removes light oxidation, swirl marks, and hard water stains, all while laying down a durable, glossy ceramic finish. The result? A smooth, glossy surface that not only looks great, but also resists future damage from UV rays, water, and road grime. Restore and Seal is designed to be used by hand or random orbital. When your RV's surface becomes dull and scratched, it starts to trap contaminants. Dirt and grime cling more easily, and black streaks, mold, and mildew can take hold. To combat that, pair our G9 random orbital with Restore and Seal to quickly and easily smooth out those imperfections and restore the surface, all while protecting it and making it easier to clean. If your RV is starting to show its age, don't just cover it up. Breathe new life into it with Restore and Seal. Protect your investment and continue making those memories. We hope you found this video helpful and plan to try out Restore and Seal for yourself. Thanks for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.